Squash soup with goat cheese gnocchis. Servings, 4. Preparation time, 40 minutes. Cooking time, 40 minutes. Difficulty level, easy. Ingredients: 1.1 pounds squash, 1.76 oz. Chanterelle mushrooms, 1.76 oz. Keep mushrooms, 1.76 oz. Gyrole mushrooms, 1.76 oz. Trumpet of death, 0.55 pounds ricotta, 1 onion, 1 shallot, 1 piece of pigskin, 3 garlic cloves, 1 laurel leaf, chicken trussing, 0.53 oz. Flour, Provence herbs, 1 egg yolk, salt, pepper, olive oil, butter. Preparation instructions. Soup preparation. Sweat the onion, shallot and garlic. Mince the pigskin and add it with the laurel leaf. Add the squash, season and continue to sweat. Pour the chicken trussing into the pan and cook for 25 minutes. Mushroom preparation. Clean and wash the mushrooms. Sauté them in olive oil. Let them lose their water. Strain. Put them again in a pan with butter, shallot and minced garlic. Gnocchi preparation. Mix the ricotta, egg yolk, flour, salt, pepper, olive oil and Provence herbs. Cool it for 15 minutes. Take 2 teaspoons to make small gnocchi scoops. Then, put them in boiling water. Once the gnocchi swim on the surface they are cooked. Stir the soup and put it in the Chinese tin plate. Add a hazelnut small piece of butter and adjust the seasoning. Place the mushrooms in the middle of the dish and the gnocchi around them. Pour the soup over it.